Ever wondered why some small businesses recover their payments quickly while others chase dues for months? If you're tired of sending reminders and still not getting paid, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the MSME Payment Recovery Playbook, a step-by-step guide to recovering your dues strategically without necessarily going to court. Your first line of defense is the MSMED Act 2006. This law was designed to protect micro and small enterprises from delayed payments. Here's what it says, Section 15. Buyers must pay within 45 days, even if your contract mentions a longer period. Section 16. If they delay, they owe you penal interest 3 times the RBI bank rate, compounded monthly. Section 43BH Income Tax Act. Late payments can't be claimed as a deduction by the buyer. A practical tip: mention these provisions directly in your invoices and contracts. It sends a clear signal that you take timely payments seriously. Before you file any complaint, start with a well-drafted legal notice. Many payment issues get resolved at this stage without further escalation. Your notice should include invoice details and due date, relevant sections of the law 15, 16 and 43BH, exact interest amount calculated, a final payment deadline, typically 15 days, a clear warning that the next step will be a complaint under the MSME Samadhan portal. This approach puts both financial and compliance pressure on the buyer, prompting them to act faster. If the payment still doesn't arrive, it's time to escalate. The MSME Samadhan portal is the Government of India's official platform for resolving delayed payment disputes. Here's how it works. Ensure you have a valid UDM registration. File your complaint online. Upload all supporting documents, purchase orders, invoices, delivery proof. Track your case using the auto-generated reference number. The process starts with conciliation. If that fails, the matter goes to arbitration by the Micro and Small Enterprises Facilitation Council. The award they pass is binding and can be enforced like a court decree. A strong safeguard here: if the buyer challenges the award in court, they must first deposit 75% of the awarded amount. This reduces stalling tactics significantly. Sometimes other legal routes can be more effective depending on your situation. Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. If a check bounces, you can file a criminal case, a quick pressure tool. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code (IBC). If dues from a company exceed Rupee 1 crore, you can initiate insolvency proceedings as an operational creditor. Summary suit under Order 37 of the Civil Procedure Code. If there's no genuine dispute and you have a clear written contract, this fast-tracks civil recovery for amounts above Rupee 3 lakh. Here's your MSME recovery checklist. Always have written contracts in place. Mention MSMED Act provisions in your invoices. Send a strong detailed legal notice before escalating. File on the Samadhan portal with complete documentation. Use check bounce laws or IBC when appropriate. Keep communication professional, written, and well documented. You don't always need to go to court to get what you're owed. The right tools used at the right time can protect your cash flow and your business relationships. Knowing your rights is the first step towards securing your payments. And informed MSMEs build stronger economies. Stay informed, stay compliant.